This matter is going to be a general matter and at the rate of 80 word per minute. Dictation starts in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, start. Hospitality means kindness to everyone and makes an environment of home away from home. It is the pure relation between the guest and host. This includes the management of hotels, restaurants, and other tourist attractions, including tourism management, hotel management, event management, resort management, etc. Business is open for 365 days and 24 hours a day. The main target of the hotel industry is to attract industrial tourism which will host a variety of different properties. Hotel industry is a backbone of government and it is the government support that helps to sustain in a competitive world. The government charges great amount of the tax on the luxury and star category of the hotels. Political changes have a direct impact because of the government, especially on the hotel industry. The state government has to take huge decision which will support the growth of the industry. Hospitality is an exciting and competitive industry where hard work and dedication can really pay the great amount. Good management is essential for any business. Hospitality industry is one of the main industries in the world and this is the relationship between guest and host. Hospitality also involves showing respect for their guest, treat them equal and providing what they need when they are in the hotel or requesting a thing such as need of tourists to go around the town, need transportation and other services. The hospitality industry basically provides lodging or accommodation to people who travel and needs shelter for the day or night. Today, the hospitality industry is providing more choices for its consumers all around the world, from hotels, resorts, hotels, and hostels, and many more. If the hotel has a good experience to the customer, this will affect customer loyalty and customer will come again. Most of the customers needs a bed and food. Therefore, hotel will have a good experience for the customer and can gain more profit also. Tourism is the largest and fastest growing industry across the world. It is a source of revenue and employment. It also gives the opportunity for the people to understand the culture, civilization, and religious aspects of a country. There are many countries whose main source of revenue is tourism. It is an export which is not visible. It earns valuable foreign exchange without any actual loss of internal resources. It provides different services that are needed as well as expected by the incoming tourists. Tourism is one of the largest industries in terms of money spent by tourists in the countries they visit. The amount received from the tourism industries sometimes exceeds the gross national product of many countries. India is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Asia and has been successful in attracting domestic and international tourists. India has fascinated many tourists across the globe with her secularism and her culture. The hill stations, historical sites, architecture, monuments, beaches, and places of religious interest make India a preferred destination for tourists from all over the world. Tourism in India has immense potential of developing into a high revenue generating industry. Better connectivity of transport and communication, improved hospitality services, and standard of living have led to an increase in domestic as well as international tourism. Tourism is one of the most important and fastest growing industries in today's world that creates a lot of job opportunities. Apart from generating jobs and revenue, it gives an opportunity for people of different countries and cultures to move and mingle with other cultures and social environments for the purpose of entertainment as well as professional purposes. It is only through tourism that the world can get closer and know each other both socially, culturally, and religiously. It creates good bonding among people of different languages and cultures. India is one of the most preferred tourist destinations in Asia because of its beautiful landscape, rich cultural heritage, and valuable ancient history. In 2019, it has attracted 10.93 million international tourists, and this contributed to almost 4.7% to the India's GDP. India has also attracted international tourists because of the liberty it gives to different religions. The peaceful existence of people of 22 languages and different religions is a source of attraction for all international tourists. Stop.